Alright, so the Zippo truck stopped by a few minutes ago. Let's see what he brought this time. And this could be an interesting one because it is my 250th Zippo. And this one comes in the normal Zippo black box. Those holes there are represent the chimney on a Zippo. And the back says Mazzi. So it's kind of a special Zippo. And let's take a look at the insert first. The insert says Mazzi, and it gives the guy's history here. So it's a semi-collectible insert with that Mazzi logo on it. So here's the Zippo, my 250th Zippo. Nice skull. There's the Mazzi logo down there on the right. Nice spider with a skull on it. And this one is on a brass case. It's got the matte black finish. And the date on this one is F of 14. That's June of this year. But there is no brass insert. It's just a regular steel insert. Lights up just fine. Got a pretty good sound. Brass is always best on a Zippo. So there is the Mazzi skull and spider, my 250th Zippo, and that's going to go into my skull collection. I do have a pretty good skull collection of Zippos, and it's going to go right there for now. Take a look at a few of those. Those are a few of my Zippo skulls. One more over there. And I'd say my 250th Zippo needs a little bit of cowbell, because I got a Zippo fever and the cure is cowbell. Not cured yet. Knuckle bomb.